introduce themselves, no? That's good.
Okay.
For example, he'll
Okay.
be
So
Abrar,
yes, ma'am.
whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
We note it
Okay. So
down,
all the
right?
participants, please clear your ear. Okay, that is the most important thing. Your name and your ear are the most important things. Okay. So clarify that when you are giving your introduction. Okay, so after the introduction, 1 minute each participant round is over. After that, we'll be shifting to the talent round. Now, this talent round is going to be on it is a YouTube video, just like all our live performances. Okay, so the link for the YouTube video I'll post in the comments, and Nirmiti will send to the judges separately as well on WhatsApp. Okay. So there, all the talent performances are there of all the participants except one. Only the MFARM Gaurav Maurya sir's entry is a separate link, which is there in the description of the first link that will be sent. Okay, so both links Nirmiti will send to the judges, and all the participants will be accordingly like channeled. So first link I send on this YouTube Live's link, and after that will be in the description of that video. Okay, so those two videos you have to watch, and after that, you have to come back on this live for the question answer session. For this question answer session, only three boys and three girls will be progressing. Okay, out of the entire lot. Is everything clear to everyone? Okay. Yes, ma'am. So we shall go ahead now. We'll welcome the first participant who is from second year. Abrar, take the stage.
Hello. Very good afternoon to each and everyone present here. Respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Abrar Beg, a student of second year B Farm, who is blessed to be a part of KMK family.
Abrar, your audio is a little bit of a problem.
Okay. Should I resume?
First year के second year है. Can you repeat,
Hello.
Abraham?
Abrar, please start again. Just check your audio once.
Okay. Am I audible now? Hello.
Not audible, not
No,
audible.
no. Remove the earphones. Remove the earphones.
Am I audible now?
Now speak. Yes, now you're perfectly audible. Go ahead.
A very good afternoon to
Yes.
each and everyone present here, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Abrar Beg, a student of second year B Farm, who is blessed to be a part of KMK family. I'm an animal lover and I love clicking their pictures. I like sports and I make memes and drawings when I feel bored and write when I feel low. Thank you.
So we'll go ahead to our next participant. That was Abrar Beg from second year. We'll go ahead to Mohammad Agashi from third year.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Mohammad. Go ahead.
A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Shoaib Agashiwala. I am from third year. I live at Bhayandar and my age is just a number. I have completed my diploma from Nasik and currently pursuing B Pharmacy from a very well-known college, that is Principal K.M. Kundani College of Pharmacy. I like playing cricket, carom, etc. I am a kind of adventurous guy and I'm fond of writing such as poem, quotes, shairis, etc. Moving forward, I would like to say that I am a soul in its pure and pristine form, a part of billion years of carbon. I am the actor in the act of my life and I am that thankful creation of God who made me able to do something for him for this world. I'll now end up with a sweet little shairi which is written by me for myself. मैं सुन सकता हूँ तो सुना भी सकता हूँ मैं सुन सकता हूँ तो सुना भी सकता हूँ मैं रो सकता हूँ तो रुला भी सकता हूँ सुनता ज्यादा और बोलता कम हूँ सुनता ज्यादा और बोलता कम हूँ इस छोटे से पैकेट में मैं एटम बम हूँ थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you, Mohammed. That was Mohammed Agashiwala from third year. Now we have Jayesh Atlani from final year. Jayesh, take the stage.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. As you all know me well, There is not much need for the introduction, but still, of who don't know me for them. Myself, Jay Shetmani, I am from Dhule. Telling about my hobbies, I have many hobbies, but playing tabla is my favorite one. I'm playing tabla since 5 years, and I would love to share my experience with all of you, and I hope you all will love it. I will tell some short history about the tabla. एंशियंट टाइम्स में तबला एंशियंट टाइम्स में एक रिदमिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता था, मृदंग नाम का। तो वो सार और साथ के साथ चलता था। वो किसी रीजन की वजह से टूट गया, तो वो जो दो पार्ट्स थे उनको फिर से खड़ा करके बजाया गया, फिर भी वही सुर निकले। टूटा तब भी बोला तबला, ये इसका इन्वेंटेड मतलब तबले नाम का ऐसे हुआ। थैंक यू।
That was Chatlani giving his introduction. He is from final year. Jay Chatlani from final year. So now next we have Gaurav Maurya from M-Farm. Gaurav Maurya from M-Farm.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Stage. Yes, you are perfectly audible.
Okay, very good afternoon to one and all present over here. I am Gaurav Maurya from M-Farm. I grew up and lived in Mumbai, and I belong to a small nuclear family. I have done my graduation from pharmacy. I have done my graduation in pharmacy from Principal K. M. Gundani College of Pharmacy, and I am taking right now a course in Masters of Pharmacy, specialization in pharmaceutics. I have completed a hardware and networking course and also some essential basic courses affiliated to Cisco networking platform. My passion includes playing badminton, reading about the new technologies, and listening the musics. My strength is honesty and dedication towards my work, and also a leadership quality. I am also a team leader as I am being appointed for the following positions: as a daily manager for 2 years, deputy audit in charge, DCR, and now as a CR. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for introducing myself. Thank you.
Hello, is the show going on?
Yes, ma'am, we are still there. Ma'am, have you written down the scores for the first round?
Yeah, but where? These were just 3 or 4 people.
Ma'am, there were 4 people.
Okay.
From second year, there was Abrar Beg.
Yes.
From third year, there was Mohammad Agasiwala. From final year, there was Jay Shatlani. And from M-Farm, there was Gaurav Maurya.
Okay. Nobody from first year?
No, ma'am.
Okay, anybody else or only these many?
Ma'am, we have more. We have girls now, but are the scores for the boys done? Are we good to go?
Yeah, okay, I'm putting it together. You want it separately?
Ma'am, after the second round.
Okay, then I'll put all the scores together. Round 1, girls, boys, round 2, whatever, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So
Rajni
please
ma'am,
continue.
periods, ma'am?
Yes, we are with you.
Okay, ma'am, sure. You can go ahead.
Ma'am, I'll just be muting if anyone's camera is unmuted so that there's no echo. Is that okay?
Best of luck, girls. Come on, start off.
Yes, ma'am. So first of all, we have 5 entries for personality girls. We have right from first year to M-Farm. Okay, every class has a girl participant for personality round. So firstly, we have from first year Rashi Harjani. Rashi Harjani from first year. Rashi, take the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rashi Harjani. I'm from USA. If I elaborate, it's Ulhasnagar Sindhi Association. So basically, I'm from Ulhasnagar. I done my schooling in Holy Cross Convent School and then college in CHM. and I'm very much proud to be the part and parcel of this glorious college, KM Kundnani College of Pharmacy. I am very much excited and also a bit nervous to be for taking part in this cultural program of KMK University. Although my talent is just a grain of sand in the big mountain of KMK, but hope that you will like my efforts. Thank you so much.
Great, Rashi. Very good. That was Rashi Harjani from first year, a new face for all, but her confidence is something that we all admire and aspire for. Yes. So we now have the next participant from second year. We have Juhi Thakur. Juhi, take the stage.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Juhi Thakur. I am a second year student. I find management interesting, so I keep applying for different posts. And also, I like to do social service. So, currently, I am a part of a non-profit student organization named Igniting Insight. Our motto is to reach the unreached. We educate unprivileged students. This social service has taught me happiness depends on what we give and not what we get. Apart from this, my passion is dancing and sports. In this lockdown period, I have learned a new dance form, that is whacking, and also I am a learned Kathak classical dancer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Juhi. That was Juhi Thakur from second year. Juhi Thakur from second year. Now we have the next participant from third year. We have Sneha Thomas. Just a minute. We have Sneha Thomas from third year. Sneha, take the stage.
Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, judges. Myself, Sneha Thomas, and I'm here to represent the most notorious class of KMK, the third years. As truly said, being human is given, but keeping humanity is a choice. I truly believe achievement is not what we have earned. The wealth or the number of social followers on our social media platforms. In true sense, achievement is how we impact the lives of people around us. I express myself through writing, a glimpse of which you will hopefully get to see in the talent round. Thank you.
Good job, Sneha. Really looking forward to the talent round. That was Sneha Thomas from third year. Sneha Thomas from third year. Now next we have from final year, Vaibhavi Desai.
Oh.
Yes,
Hello,
you are
am I-
audible, Vaibhavi. Yes.
Hello,
Vaibhavi
everyone.
Desai from final year. Vaibhavi,
Good
take the
afternoon.
stage.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vaibhavi Desai, and I am from final year. And I have been born and brought up in Mumbai, done my schooling in Kandivali, and now I am in my last year, my final year. This has been a great journey. I have developed many skills being in the KMK college. Now I like for my hobbies include arts, craft, all types of fine arts. And recently I've been taking keen interest in music. I play the instrument called kalimba, which I'll be playing in the talent round. And I believe that one life mantra I believe in is today, now, focusing on the time that you are in, because past is gone and you have been learning from the past. That's right, but it's gone, and the future is unpredictable. We saw what happened this year. So I hope to make you happy with my talent round in the next segment. Thank you.
Great introduction, Vaibhavi. Now we have the next participant from M-Farm. That was Vaibhavi Desai from final year. We have the next participant from M-Farm, Anjali Dubey. Take the stage.
Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anjali Shivprakash Dubey. I am brought up in Mumbai, the city of dreams. I have graduated with my degree in pharmacy from Principal K.M. Kundani College of Pharmacy. I am currently pursuing Masters of Pharmacy with specialization in pharmaceutics. My strengths are that I'm hardworking, strategic thinking, creative, disciplined, and self-motivated. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed pharmaceutical company where I can build my career and grow vertically. My hobbies include doing mehendi designs, rangoli, watching movies, and reading about pharma updates through social media platforms or journals. That's all about me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
That was a great introduction, Anjali ma'am. So we are done with our girl participants. We'll just have some time for the judges to write down their scores for the introduction round.
Was there only one participant from FY?
Yes, ma'am. Only girl participant was there.
Okay. Thank you.
And the remaining 4 classes had both participants, boys and girls. I'll just be sharing the link on the chat just 2 minutes. Until then, the judges can write down the scores.
Nirmiti, like last time, I'm sending you. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, I'm sending you the pic of round 1.
Ma'am, you can send that after round 2, ma'am. It's okay.
Whatever,
There's no-
it's okay. My
Okay,
phone,
ma'am.
that's why.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
I've shared the personality link on the WhatsApp group and I'm sharing to the individual teachers on WhatsApp as well.
What is that for Priyanka?
Ma'am, it is for the talent round. They have submitted their talent round entries
Okay, yes.
on YouTube. So we have streamed it together.
But you are streaming it here, no?
No, ma'am. It is directly on YouTube only. So we'll be pausing here.
Ma'am, you
Okay,
have
okay.
to watch the video on YouTube and then give your marks for the particular participants, and then again come back to this platform.
And ma'am, there are 2 videos. There is one video which is the personality video, and there is also one separate video of Gaurav sir from MFARM, which also I'll be sending you just now.
Okay.
WhatsApp. Yes, ma'am.
How much time there is?
There are 50 seconds for the video to start, and the total video is I'll just check. Personality. The total video is I'm not able to see the total video. Ma'am, you'll have to join it on the live.
Priyanka,
Yes, ma'am.
we just wait for 1 minute. Now we have to switch on the YouTube, no?
Yes, ma'am, on your phone.
1 minute. Huh? So from here we should go.
Ma'am, you must have
The link
received the
that is sent on WhatsApp.
निर्मिती मार्क्स पाठवले बघ माझे आणि पीडीएच मॅडमचे एकत्र आहेत.
Yes,
स्क्वेअर
yes, ma'am.
मधले बघ आउट ऑफ 20 बघ.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am, received.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, Nirmiti. Go on.
Okay, so our finalists for round 3 will be for boys from third year. We have Mohammad Agasiwala. Then from last year, that is final year, we have Jayesh Atlani. And from M Farm, we have Gaurav Maurya. Judges, please kindly note down the names of the participants I am mentioning right now. Third year, Mohammad Agasiwala. Final year, Jayesh Atlani. And M Farm, Gaurav Maurya. And for girls, we have Juhi from second year, Vaibhavi from final year, and Anjali Dubey ma'am from M Farm. Judges, please note down these names. Juhi from second year, Vaibhavi Desai from final year, and Anjali Dubey ma'am from M Farm.
Shall we have all the participants who have progressed to the next round on the live, please? Vaibhavi is already here. The remaining participants. Ma'am, shall we begin with the question answer round?
Yeah, please do.
Yes, ma'am. We'll have Mohammad Akashiwala go first. He is from third year, boys. Yes, ma'am. He is on the screen.
Priyanka, now who should ask the questions to him?
Ma'am, Nirmiti had decided something on that, I think.
Yeah, so that is what, no? You just let us know who is going to ask questions to which students.
Ma'am, Vandana ma'am. Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Vandana ma'am, you will be asking questions to the third year.
Nirmiti,
Mohammad
you're not
Agasi.
audible. Your voice is cracking.
Nirmiti, no
Hello, am I
audibility.
audible? Hello.
Voice is cracking a little bit. Can you send me the image or something? I'll say then.
See, Priyanka, you could have done one thing. There are 6 questions. No, how many there'll be? So attach a
Ma'am,
number
there
to
are
each one. Yes.
There are 6 people.
There are 6 people, correct? And so
Yes,
one
ma'am.
question to each, no? 2
Yes,
questions.
ma'am.
Okay. So can you just put 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12 and associate one number that you keep with you? VSP, PDH, RA, and then let them
Yes,
just
ma'am.
try.
That is what Nirmiti has done, something like
Great.
that. So she'll send me that sheet and I'll say that. Yes, ma'am. So what she has done is she has like assigned teachers to the students so that it's simpler, that it's one like a 1-to-1 question session. So VSP
But
ma'am
they don't
will
have
be
a choice,
asking
no?
questions.
They don't
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
choice to, right? They are not picking up something or there's no choice. I mean, Is there a choice to pick up the? They should not have a. I mean, what I want to say is that see earlier you used to be having chits, correct? So whatever
Okay.
comes up good, right? So this way,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you're assigning, then okay,
Um,
go on with whatever your system is.
should I do the chits now? I can do the chits.
See, how will you assign numbers?
Okay.
Right, 1
Yeah.
to 12, and against each number, assign a name. So they have to
Okay.
tell the
Yes,
name,
ma'am.
a number, and you will tell what name it is. Right? If
Okay,
it
ma'am. I'll do
doesn't
that.
notice, it will show it. Right?
I'll do that just now.
What you do is that every time they tell a number, no, just flash your notebook or that page here. So they know it is not, your chalbazi or your bias or anything like that. You're fair and
Yes,
acceptable.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hamla madam and Ari madam, is it okay? That will take them 5 minutes again.
Priyanka, please start fast because I have lot of work to do.
For the first round, keep 6 questions, 6 numbers, 1 to 6 for the next one. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay.
Select any number.
And given the scale, na 1 to 12 or 1 to 6.
1 to 12. It's a 1 to 12
Exactly,
scale. Select
exactly.
any number.
8.
8 is Rajni, ma'am. I don't know if it is visible. 8 is Rajni, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Can I ask you? Hi.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I ask you the question, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Can you tell me, life after COVID 2019?
Sorry, ma'am.
Life
Not
after
audible, ma'am.
COVID.
I'm not audible.
Hello. Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See now, can you describe or discuss the life after COVID?
Yes, ma'am. As we all know that
What exactly you are looking after this? After this 1 year of what are exactly the learnings from this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. As we all know that we were too much disturbed with this COVID. So for in future, I would like to see that in this pandemic time, we are able to do things in our boundaries. Like वो बोलते हैं ना कि जितनी चादर है उतनी ही पैर फैलानी चाहिए. मतलब we are able to do the things, but due to the freedom we get, or we are like just stressed out so much, so we do lot of wastage of money, wastage of food, etc. So the main important thing that people will see right now is that they are able to differentiate that what is important now and what is not important. The next thing is that we can also have a point towards the cleanliness, the sanitization of the area of our house, of ourselves, etc. The other thing is that we will be able to have a good balanced gathering all over the world wherever there is any function going on or anything, so that not only for the COVID but any other disease which can be shared by people in close contact can also be avoided. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammad. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priyanka, next.
Yes, ma'am. So Mohammed is done. Now we'll move on to the next. Next is Jayesh Atlani. Jayesh, select any number.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Select any number.
10. 10.
10 is PDH, ma'am.
Hello, Jayesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the most important issue your generation is facing? What is the
Sorry?
most important issue your generation is facing?
Relationship.
Not audible, ma'am. Loudly.
Okay. Elaborate on it.
Hello?
Yeah, can you please elaborate on it?
या मैम मैम आजकल जो मतलब पहले जमाने में प्यार था वो लाइक अभी इतना नहीं समझते कि क्रश और प्यार क्या है बस अच्छा लग गया मतलब ठीक है ये मजाक चालू है आजकल की जिंदगी में
Okay. Very
चलो
honest
इसके बाद
answer. Yeah, very honest answer. Can I ask one more question, Priyanka?
यस यस मैम यस मैम
What
Yes,
is your
ma'am.
dream job?
सॉरी
What is your dream job? What you
ड्रीम
would
जॉब
like to do in future?
अ बिजनेसमैन और मतलब मुझे म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट है और मतलब बिजनेस में
Okay. Why?
वाई लाइक बिजनेस में ही नहीं घुसना है म्यूजिक की एक अलग ही लाइफ है उसका एक अपना ही मतलब मजा है वो अभी मतलब
Don't you feel that you can give rosy roti to another 10 people?
सॉरी मैम
Because of your business, don't you feel that you can give rosy roti to another 10 people?
यस यस ऑफ कोर्स
Okay. ठीक है.
यस मैम थैंक यू
Priyanka next.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the next participant is Gaurav Maurya, sir, from Farm. Gaurav, sir, select a number.
3.
That's Rajni, ma'am.
Hi, Gaurav.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Can you, talk about, benefits of technology with respect to human relationship?
Okay. Benefits can be, if you see, it can be in positive sense also, in negative sense also. Human relationship. If we take COVID as a situation, then today, due to technology, we can sitting at our home can get in touch to everyone. Whosoever is where, it means in the world, whosoever is present at any place, we can get into touch. Earlier, if we say like 5 to 10 years prior, there was not that much development of a technology. So if think that this particular COVID has came at 10 to 5 years before, then we could have not reached to everyone who are staying apart from us. Secondly, he has played a good role in having a relationship, because nowadays before getting engaged to someone or before selecting a life partner, we can come to know about the entire life history about that person without any biasness. Yeah, the drawback is the person can put a wrong information, but then also by having their friends and all that team circle. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Gaurav.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Priyanka
much.
next.
Yes, ma'am. Our next participant will be Juhi. Juhi, choose a number.
1.
That's Rajni, ma'am.
Hi, Joey.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is your role model and why?
My mother. Because since childhood, I have seen her the way she has grown as me and my brother, the hard work she does. Also, she is a working mother along with housewife. She handles her office work too. She's like a all-rounder role model for me, and I really learn a lot. I admire her, that how with patience, and she even sometimes if I get angry, I sometimes talk rude, and then that time also she doesn't shouts at me. She comes and explains to me what was my mistake. Her calmness, patience, I wish I could inculcate that all in me. So yeah, that's why I admire her completely.
Ma'am?
Yes, thank you, Joey.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
person.
Next we have Vaibhavi Desai. Vaibhavi, pick a number.
9.
That's Vandana, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's my turn to ask. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, okay. Vaibhavi, about this COVID situation, there were a number of theories. It was accidental, it was deliberate, and one theory doing a lot of rounds, most people believe, is that it is politically orchestrated. Right? What is your take on this?
As a student, as a pharmacy professional, I feel that that cannot be so true, because looking at the number of people who are being affected, who are dying in front of us in all around the world, not just in India, it's happening everywhere. And with that, even the pharma industry is working with the chemical development, drug development. We have got immediately we have removed many drugs like favipiravir and etc. antivirals, and immediately we did the even vaccine production. So if all this is going on at a bulk and we are able to see it, even the vaccines are being given now, so we cannot deny the fact that this is real, and I don't think it can be so much staged at this level. That's my take on it.
Okay, Vaibhavi, just one question. You're sure it's not surreal? The pharma industry not doing it? They have done that before. Okay, right? One example I'll give you is about bringing the glucose levels down, the normal glucose levels from 120 to 100. They wanted further pulled down, right? And for the Lipitor drug, atorvastatin, you know what they did? Right? They ganged up with all your beverage people and said that sugar was not responsible, right? For it is fat, the triglyceride, which was responsible to make their drug work. There's so many examples. So vaccine is a right is a gold rush, right? Everybody who gets into vaccine making will really hit the pot of gold.
Yeah, I do think that yes, it's possible.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Oh,
ma'am.
that's well answered. Okay.
Next we have Anjali Dubey, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, pick a number.
Right. Yes. Anjali, hello. Like your talent. Okay. Right. So I have a nice question for you. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, you believe that at some point or the other in life, injustice is meted out to us. Right? होता है ऐसे. At some point you feel no, ये injustice हुआ है. Right. So,
Yes.
what is the greatest injustice you've lived through?
Greatest injustice.
Which happened to you, you've lived through, and how did you counter it? That's what it means. I mean, my question.
Okay. Greatest injustice. Greatest injustice was losing my dad. That was not a. I mean, it's a very personal issue, due to which I have lost my dad, and now we are trying to live and build up ourselves to live without him. And me and my mom help me and my siblings a lot to so that we can recover this damage, and we will try to learn our best and do our best.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Priyanka, we are done. So, should we be sending the scores? You are not audible now. Unmute, unmute.
So here we come to an end to all the 3 rounds of our personality competition, and I request all the judges to please enter the marks for the Q&A section and send them to Nirmiti so that we can have our winners. Due to shortage of time, we'll have to move on quickly to the debate. Okay, so I request all the debate participants to immediately DM me. I'll send you all the joining link.
Yeah, Priyanka, we will do the needful and send you the details, right? I will send the
Yes,
details
ma'am.
to
Yes,
me
ma'am.
and madam. Me and madam, we are
Yes,
working
ma'am.
together, right? Yeah.
Priyanka, now
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not
Yes,
required
ma'am.
for
Done.
any other event, right?
Ma'am, Nirmiti is aware about the judges actually. Nirmiti,
Okay.
who are the judges for debate?